name is FARAHANIS binti KAMARUZAMAN, and today I would like to present about business background. The name of business that we choose is Senja Cafe. Senja Cafe started the business on 2 July 2025 with a capital of under 100,000 ringgit. Senja Cafe is established as a sole proprietorship, meaning that the ownership control and decision making are fully managed by one individual. Senja Cafe is located in Tun Razak Business Park, Lorong TARBP 7, Bandar Jerka, 26400 Bandar Tun Razak, Pahang. The strategic area making it easily accessible to residents, students and visitors. It also supports a steady customer flow, especially during the evening and night hours. The cafe is operates from 4 p.m. to 11 p.m. And lastly, the main business activity of Senja Cafe is serving food and beverage, including a variety of Western-style meals, snacks, dessert, and specialty drinks. The cafe aims to provide quality meals at affordable price while maintaining consistency in service.
I represent about business characteristic. This is business operates as a sole proprietorship, meaning it is owned by one person. It is officially registered with SSM and also licensed under Majlis Daerah Maran. The business is owned by Mr. Imran bin Acik, alias Pacik, and is managed and controlled by him with help from his NUP who act as the manager. The business uses a POS system to record all accounting activities such as sale, stock and transaction. Overall, the structure is small and simple. On this slide, we have the asset of Senja Cafe business. First, the current asset, which include cash in hand, cash in the bank, and stocks like dry goods, fresh ingredient, sauces, condiment, and toppings. These items they use or convert to cash within a short time. Next are the non-current asset, which are long-term item used for their operation. These include kitchen equipment such as the coffee machine, oven, and refrigerators. Furniture like tables, chairs, and cabinet. For electrical equipment like the air conditioning and lighting system. And last but not least, and vehicle for businesses use. These assets support our daily operation and help the business function smoothly.
Moving on to this slide, I will present the liabilities of Senja Cafe. Liabilities refer to the financial obligation that cafe needs to settle either in the short term or long term. For current liabilities, the first one is tax payable. This includes local council business fees that Senja Cafe must pay regularly as part of the operating the business. For the second one is unearned revenue. This refers to deposit received from customers for upcoming service, such as catering orders, deposit, and event bookings deposit. These deposits are recorded as liabilities because the cafe still owes the service or products to the customer in the future. For the non-current liabilities, Senja Cafe does not currently have any long-term financial obligation. This shows that the cafe is not tied to long-term loans or debts that extend beyond 1 year.
For my part, I'm going to explain Senja Cafe expenses, revenue, and equity. First of all, expenses are costs incurred by the business to generate revenue. In this case, Senja Cafe expenses are the cost of goods, employee expenses, monthly rental, and operating expenses. They have to buy raw ingredients like chicken, fish, and rice, provide employee provident fund (EPF) and social security organizations also for their employee, monthly rental, utilities, and Wi-Fi services to keep the business operating. Next, revenue is monetary value that has been supplied to customers that will increase the business profit for sale of food and beverages. They sell a lot of food such as Western, Korean food, and Thai food. But one of their best selling is set talam senja, costing 79 ringgit. They also provide catering for event, kiosk rental, and commission. On the other hand, equity is when the owner brought their personal asset into the business. Mr. Imran has brought in his personal car for transportation and 100,000 ringgit as capital to start the business. He also brought equipment from his old shop, that is refrigerator, table, stove, and others.
Now, let's move on to the recording process. The recording process in business is the systematic process of capturing, classifying, and summarizing financial transactions. It is the foundation of accounting and is often referred to as bookkeeping. The primary goal is to maintain accurate and up-to-date record of a company's financial activities to prepare financial statement and support decision-making. Most businesses use the double-entry bookkeeping system where every transaction affects the at least 2 accounts recorded with equal debit and credit to ensure the accounting equation. For Cafe Senja, they use PEO system. The system will travel item details such as price, stock quantity, and description, and they compute the total price of the menu. And customer can pay with cash, debit card, e-wallet, and online transfer. And after payment success, the PEO system generates a printed receipt. And every complete sale will automatically reduce the stock count for the item sold. And at the end of the day, PEO system can generate important business report. And next, for the other recording process that they use is payment voucher, which is when the owner pay expenses in cash, he will print the receipt to claim with the company, and every cash outflow will be recorded in a payment voucher. And at the end of the month, the owner will collect all the payment voucher with supporting documents to submit to the accountant for making a statement of profit or loss.
Last but not least, strength and weakness of accounting recording for Senja Cafe. Their strengths are easy to track newly added stock and outgoing goods due to the POS system, can analyze business performance so much easier and reduce risk of shorting. On the other hand, their weakness are high initial costs, risk of human error like incorrectly returning balance, and data security risk of being leaked.
Oh, macam kita ada 2 unit. Satu tempat ni saya buat untuk tempat makan. Satu unit lagi kita tempat untuk tempat masak dengan kita rasa. So dekat dapur kita mungkin ada chef ada sini, ada tempat air kan. Kemudian ada meja baju kat sini juga. Mungkin kita ada dapur untuk makan panas dan dapur mesti. Kemudian barang-barang masak lah dapur. keluarkan. Dan yang terakhir juga